Think of your brand almost as your dating profile. And just how you would come and say, I just need a logo, if you put up a dating profile and it's got your picture and nothing else, there's not a lot to extract from that. You can extract some things, but it may or may not be enough to get someone to come knock on your door and ask for a date or buy your product for that matter. So what we're really trying to do is develop the entire universe personality around the brand so it feels fully realized as opposed to you just slapped a sticker on something. If you think of the brands that you love and the companies that you buy from, there are reasons that you do that usually transcend the product. When people are trying to figure out what their brand should look like, they have to go beyond the logo. So slapping a logo on something doesn't make it a brand. It gives you further information about the personality of that brand, but think about the brands that you love and how fully realized they are. There's a really clear color palette. It looks consistent across all the platforms. You don't feel like you're talking or learning from a different brand based on where you're encountering it. It always feels like the same brand. That may sound mundane, but what it really is it's creating a consistency that honestly develops trust with your clients. They want to know that they can trust you. They want to know what they can expect. There's a certain amount of surprise and delight in that, but you don't want the negative form of surprise and delight, which could be something looking inconsistent, a tone of voice that doesn't marry up with what the purpose of the brand is. There's a lot of ways to do missteps, which is why it's really important to start with a foundation.